deja vu. Did this happen last week?
Yep.
Welcome to weekly vlog number 41.
No, but we were at that table over there.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look how cute. I love my pozole. Whew. Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. We've gotten a mild cold front this week and it's been so nice. The weather has been wonderful. We're gonna get a second cold front through the weekend and it's gonna be in the 50s and I'm so excited. But right now I'm gonna go pick up my siblings because they are off for the next 3 days and they want to come hang out at the house, and I don't mind that because I love every time they're around. I love them so much and I miss them all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick them up. We're gonna go have some lunch somewhere. Matthew, do you not know your sister? I don't like ketchup.
Well, I always brought you it. And you didn't say anything.
That's true. We've declared this our table.
No, we haven't.
Yes, we have. So yeah, just some spicy chicken nuggets. They've been begging to come.
Can you pray for us?
We already prayed. Some pizza!
I can eat that in one sitting.
Rhythm and flow, but we're about to start watching scary movies.
Why did John save the scary movies for me? I don't like scary movies.
Yep. I just got back from the gym and these hooligans want to watch a scary movie. Look, I like the thought of a scary movie. I just don't like scary movies.
That's so dumb.
Hey, it's a daytime. And if we watched it in the night, you would be like, definitely no. But we're watching the most scariest movie. Right?
And if you think about it, scary movies are really predictable. So you
But
don't
not
even gotta
demonic.
be scared. And you've been screaming for like the past 2 minutes and nothing has happened.
Ah! Okay, so this is actually crazy. Hold on, let me clean my camera real quick. So I obviously went to the gym this morning and it was 92 freaking degrees outside. It's been like, I don't know, 3 hours. It is 68 degrees outside. It feels like fall outside. I know I'm being so dramatic about it, but what is my Houston life right now? What the heck? It literally rained for 5 minutes and it's cold now. We knew this was coming tonight, but I thought it was gonna be like later on in the night. Like we were gonna wake up tomorrow to a cold front, but no, it's like here. This morning it was bright and sunny and I just thought it was gonna be another hot day like yesterday. Yesterday it was 92 degrees. Oh my gosh. I mean, I'm super excited. I love fall. Like it feels cold outside. Well, it doesn't feel cold, it feels chilly outside and I just want to build a bonfire. I want to carve some pumpkins, drink some hot chocolate. Oh my god, maybe we can do that tonight. Oh, I am like in the middle of filming. Let me just show you outside. It's just, I love it. It's like so windy and chilly. It's time to film. I need to find another shirt and plug in my stuff and get ready to film.
Hello, as you can see, we're wearing our hoodies because it's kind of cold. Yes. So we're gonna go to the bank, but first to a Starbucks, and then after the bank, we're gonna go and get my hair cut.
Freaking finally. Oh, I need to put my seatbelt on.
Oh wow, how safe. Oh, we need to order Starbucks.
Oh shoot. Be right back.
Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Ooh. What? Look at you. Nice hair. Hey, why are you covering it? Look at me. So we just got back home and I found this in the car. These are September's lipsticks from Live Glam. I know. So I'm gonna open them right now. Probably. This is what the little baggie looks like. And this is what they're supposed to look like. That's my fault. I forgot about them completely. This is the lip scrub. Oh, it actually scrubs.
What? What's it supposed to do? Make your lips smooth?
Yeah. Take off all the dead skin.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Plain Jane. first class. I love the applicator of these. Cool. And it was what, $19.99 for all 3 of these?
What?
Pretty good deal. I'll leave my link down below.
What? Oh, sorry.
We're back home at my parents' house. Look at the big old giraffe. Oh, the giraffe. I think we're just gonna hang out with my family. I think my dad's bringing some food over, and yeah, so they just got out of church. We just came back from walking the dogs, and yeah, we're just gonna hang out and we're gonna call it a night. See you guys next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.